नमस्ते सौगोटा के पेट के प्रणाम अनुज के आशीर्वाद. It's been long time I was not able to discuss about anything, but as I got today little time, so I have given my best for all of you. And I said earlier, when you would like to speak English in that process, vocabulary is one of the most important part. Like vocabulary is what? Any word, whatever word you are going to speak, it called vocabulary. And for spoken English, you need vocabulary power, word knowledge you should have. And it doesn't mean that whatever is in front of you, जो आपके सामने में है, अगल बगल है, वो वर्ड अगर आपको आ गया, जैसे लाइट, अर्थ, बिल्डिंग्स, वॉल, nose, eyes, it doesn't mean that you will be able to speak good English or fluent English. For that you need to understand different kind of word meaning. Like there are so many emotions, so many God, nature's related vocabulary or word meaning, so many disasters, or as for example I will tell you in emotions, so many emotions like happiness, disgusting, sadness, angerness, fear, surprising, guilty, lonely, confident, like this. So you have to understand that all things. Then you should think about the what is the meaning of star, moon, galaxy, mountain, sea, volcano, body parts. Then you will go into the next level, like earthquake, different kinds of disaster, nature disaster like earthquake, tsunami, volcano, forest fire, flood, landslides, evacuations. So that now I am telling you are listening it and you are understanding it. But if I will ask you some more questions, then automatically that words will not come in your mind. For that you need to do practice. Are you getting my point? So for vocabulary you have to think in your mind always in English, like body part is normal things. This is for very small kids. You have to grow up. If you want to speak English, you have to grow up. Like you have to think in space, in God or natures or disasters or emergencies. Like any emergency is coming, for nature's emergency, how it's coming, like an earthquake is coming, tsunami, cyclone, forest fire, flood, landslides, and evacuations is what? After all these things happening, then that need of evacuations. So what is the meaning of that words? You have to find out. You have to try. You have to pronunciate it again and again. So this is the very important lesson I would like to share all the student who, जो लोग स्पेशली अभी 10, 12 और ग्रेजुएशन और एनी कम्पिटेटिव एग्जामिनेशन दे आर डूइंग, दिस इज वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ देम. थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू.